my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today we're getting carried away with Fendi's Cruise 2023 drop celebrating the re-editions, 25 years in the making, the Fendi baguette designed by Silvia Venturini Fendi, celebrated in New York City where the baguette went wild based on its involvement in the fabulous Sex and the City. Now, I was really interested to see that Henry Bendels played a huge part in Fendi's breakout role in America, and Bendels also brought Chanel to the States as well, and it's so sad that Bendels doesn't exist anymore, but their legacy is strong because possibly without their support and encouragement of Fendi in New York City, we might not be enjoying these wonderful, bold, exotic and fabulous designs that we are today. You know I love Fendi, and I know now that you love Fendi. There are over 40 bags included in this huge subscriber unboxing. None of them are mine. They're all yours. And it makes me so happy to share this with everybody who contributed and all of those who wish they could. In fact, there's quite a lot of people that haven't received their pieces yet due to courier delays and those sorts of things. So if you are interested in a part 2, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you can contribute to a part 2, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to put together a part 2 and share all this beautiful Fendi joy with you. So, as they say, without further ado, let's get carried away.
This is for Dale's Addiction. Hi Dale, this unboxing is dedicated to you and to all your followers.
Fendi Baguette 25th anniversary. Here's my little purchase. What do we think it's going to be? Here it is. My little slice of the 25th anniversary adventure. A nano baguette with beautiful pearls.
Hi Dale, I've been watching your channel since your very first peekaboo unboxing, and this is my contribution to your subscriber unboxing, a 2023 Fendi Baguette in, as you call her, the green acid or apple color. And she is the apple of my eye. Thank you, Dale.
Hi. She's arrived. So cute.
I'm so excited to be a part of this. I was coming in from Atlanta and we don't have a Fendi by me, so I stopped in the store on the way. Got a little something. Okay, I have to say, this is 1000% your fault. Okay. Where's my dog? So I'll block her out. She's playing in the cupboard. I'm so excited. I've never had like one of the nanos with the bigger buckle, and I've never had a sequin, so 2 birds, 1 stone. I can't wait.
Oh
baguette. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look.